Have you ever nailed your diet all day, only to realize your drinks totally sabotaged your progress? Yeah, been there, done that. Today, we're diving into something we often overlook: the best and worst drinks for weight loss. Because let's be real, what's in your glass can make or break your results. Some drinks can boost your metabolism and curb hunger, while others are sneaky little calorie traps in disguise. So grab your favorite low-cal drink, you'll know which by the end, and let's sip our way through some smart choices together. Ready? Let's get into it. First, we will discuss the best drinks for your body. Water. Replacing sweetened soft drinks with water will cut hundreds of calories from your diet each day. Drinking 2 glasses of water before a meal may also help you feel full faster, so you won't eat as much. It can help speed your metabolism too. Skim or soy milk. Beverages that are low in calories but high in nutrition are good options when you're trying to lose weight. Skim and soy milk both fit that bill. Plant-based milk substitutes, like almond milk, typically have fewer calories than cow's milk, but less protein, so they're not necessarily better for weight loss. Green tea. It's an excellent choice when you're looking for a little boost. Not only is it calorie-free, but some research suggests green tea extract may help with weight loss. It's not clear exactly how, but caffeine and micronutrients called catechins may each play a role. The benefit appears to last only a few hours, so it may help to enjoy some green tea at least twice a day. Vegetable juice. Vegetable juice is as nutritious as fruit juice with fewer calories. 1 cup of tomato juice has 41 calories compared to 122 for orange juice. Choosing juice with pulp gives you some fiber too. That may help control your hunger. Vegetable juice does have a lot of sodium. If you buy your vegetable juice from a store, go with a low sodium variety if you can. Black coffee. When you need a shot of caffeine, coffee is a better choice than soda or energy drinks. Black coffee is calorie-free and rich in antioxidants. Of coffee, about 3 to 4 cups a day, may improve your mood and help your concentration. It could also lower your chances of type 2 diabetes and some cancers. Let's discuss some of the worst drink for your health. Specialty coffees. A 12-ounce cafe mocha can be almost 300 calories, and a vanilla latte can come close to 200. But if mochas or lattes are your thing, you can make a few changes to keep the calories in check. Most coffee places offer sugar-free syrups, or you can special order your drink with skim milk. And be sure to skip the whipped cream. Soda. Every time you chug a bottle of this, you get hundreds of empty calories. Switching to diet soft drinks can cut calories, but research is mixed on whether this switch helps you lose weight. If you eat or drink more calories than you burn, just sticking to diet soda may not do the trick. Specialty cocktails. Party drinks like margaritas or Mai Tais can be heavy on the calories, especially when you don't make them yourself. The key with cocktails is to skip mixes like soda, juice, or pre-made cocktail blends. Instead, sip on something simple, like vodka and club soda. A 1-ounce serving of vodka ranges from 70 to 100 calories, and club soda doesn't add any calories. If you need more flavor, try a spice-infused vodka. Mocktails. Alcohol-free doesn't mean calorie-free. Mocktails can be high in sugar and calories, depending on the fruit juices used to make them. If you want a fancy drink without the alcohol, look for ones made with sparkling water and flavored with herbs and spices instead of sugar-sweetened beverages. Let's discuss some of the drinks, where you need to be careful. Kombucha. This is fermented tea blended with sugar and a culture of bacteria and yeast. An 8-ounce glass typically has about 30 calories. It's said to have several health benefits, including a hand in weight loss. But scientists are still studying it to find out for sure. Beer. This isn't really the ideal beverage if you're watching your weight, but a 12-ounce bottle or can of light beer won't typically give you more than 100 calories. A regular 12-ounce beer is usually about 150. When it's poured from a tap into a 16 or 20-ounce glass, though, that number can climb up to 250. Craft beers can also have more calories. Wine. A typically 4-ounce glass of wine usually has around 100 calories, though types can vary in calories and alcohol content. Also know that glasses and pours are often much larger than 4 ounces. If wine is your adult beverage of choice, watch the pour or slim it down by mixing it with a no-calorie beverage. For example, you can cut the calories in half with a wine spritzer that's half wine and half club soda. Energy drinks. While the active ingredient here is caffeine, these usually have other things in them like vitamins, herbal supplements, creatine, and sugar. If you're watching calories, you'll want to check the label carefully and look for ones without added sugar. The ones that show the amount of caffeine can let you know exactly what you're getting. Fruit juice. Juice can have as many calories as soda, but it has more nutrients. This presents a dilemma. You want the vitamins and antioxidants without all the extra sugar. Look for 100% fruit juice. Steer clear of juice drinks that have added sweeteners. Check the nutrition label for the percentage of real juice. You can also slash calories by drinking water with a tiny bit of juice added. Smoothies. Blend a banana, strawberries, and blueberries into a frothy smoothie, and you've got a delicious drink. Make your own, so you can control the ingredients. Skim milk, or an alternative like almond milk, and fresh or frozen fruit are all you need. Restaurant smoothies may include ice cream, honey, or other sweeteners that boost the calorie count sky high. So there you have it. Your drink choices do matter. Make smart sips and your body will thank you. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple health tips. Catch you next time. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.